Take what off?
Set on the wrong thing. How do you set it on normal
I don't know.
picture? It's on panoramic.